Hey, Jeep Gang. Thanks for coming back to while you're in there. I left off in the last video. All I did was drop the head on, and I did not have my torque wrench ready. So, I do want to show you something here, man. No problem. I had to grab a smaller one because your first step is 22 foot-pounds. And I got a 1/2 inch drive on there. Well, this wrench is a 3/8 drive. But I did have one of these funky adapters where it goes from smaller to larger. I know the toolkits usually come where these go larger to smaller. Well, this is smaller to larger. So just be aware of that. So I already got my wrench set at 22 foot-pounds. So they want you to start right here as your first one. I got my book set up right over here. I don't know if it's in the shot or not. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down just there. This will be your number 2 bolt. And I got my glasses on so I could see these numbers. Next, they want you to go to the front, which would be this one here, your third one. And then back to the passenger side, right across from it. And then this one here for number 5 bolt. And right across from it. Then come out to here. Then the second one from the rear. I think I messed up. That's tight. Okay. All right. I'm going to go back over these and make sure I didn't miss any. Make sure I didn't miss any at 22 foot-pounds. Well, those wires get in your way. Okay, so I'm going to run back over these again. Make sure I didn't miss one. And again, this is at 22 foot-pounds. Oh, I got it stuck. Okay. Oh, where is it? Okay, so I didn't miss any. I'm going to get the socket off of here and grab the large torque wrench. And your next step's going to be 45 pounds. So let me get this adjusted to the right pounds. So let's see. Boy, even with my glasses, I'm having a hard time seeing this. All right, that's 30, 40, 40, 42, 43, 44. Okay, so I have to do it at 46 because this wrench does not have a mark for 5. Is that 30? What? I'm having a hard time seeing this wrench. I just bought this because I dropped my old one and it broke. So 0. Okay. What's the other? 0. Okay. 30. So come all the way around. 10. That's 40. 42. 44. 46. I'm going to 46. All right, 46 foot-pounds. And go back and do the same pattern again, where you're like spiraling around, but starting in the middle. If you don't have the book and you need to see that pattern, the video right before this one, I did a close-up shot of that picture in the book of how you're supposed to tighten these down. So you can screenshot that for yourself. Because he wants you to do it in a special pattern. Oh. Don't you hate that? It pops off. Oh, now my wrench moved on me. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, that's step 2. Step 3, they want you to go back and check it all again at 45. So this should be quick. And do it in the same pattern also. Boy, is it hot. I'm melting here. Feels like my skin's gonna slide right off my face. Go to the rear. All right, so there we go. We double checked them all at 45 pounds. It's all there. I'm sweating so bad, the sweat's dripping off my head and put my cigarette out. Don't smoke. It's a nasty habit. All right, next step is I gotta look. I forgot the number already. Next step is bolt number 11 is 100 pounds. That's this one here with the thread sealer on it. All the other bolts are at 110 foot-pounds. So let me adjust this again. What did it say? 110. I'm not a big fan of this wrench I just got. It's really tough to see the numbers. All right, 110. It's clicked in. All right. So, same pattern again. Start in the middle. Yep. Tell you what, 110 is pretty tight. There it goes. Okay. That's pretty tight. Okay. Whew. I can't wait to get this done so I can turn my fan back on. I don't want it on right now because it's so loud. You guys won't be able to hear nothing. Okay. All right, back to here. All right. All right. This one here is next, but that one is at, what did I say it was? 100 pounds. So let me back this off a little bit. Let's see. Okay. I really don't like this wrench. So that's 90. 90 and 10. Gives me 100. Okay. This is our final sequence here. Now I've got to go back up to 110 again for the last couple. Whoop. Losing my shape, my eyeballs. Alright, now the back two. My guy machined 10,000s off the bottom of the head. I don't know if that'll give me a little more compression or not. But we're definitely going to gain some horsepower. I got all new valves in here. New springs. Everything's new. Valve guides are new. Alright, I'm going to run back over this one more time. Make sure I did not miss anything. Do not want to mess up on this, or you have leaks. All right, bring this back down 10 pounds. Alright, there for this one is 100 pounds. Bring it back up to 110 for the last couple. Alright, 2 more to go. Last one. Okay. And that is your cylinder head installed. Now I'm stuck in here, can't get out. Okay. Oh. Excuse me while I try to struggle to get out of here. Okay. Alright guys. Whew. I'm gonna end this video because it is cooking and I'm melting here. I don't know if you can see closely in there, but some of my paint came off. I'm gonna go back in here, blow it all out. Little paint chips. That's why you're in there. It's your cylinder head install. And please keep watching. Please subscribe, man. Hit the like button for me. And keep following the build, man. Getting close now. Got everything we need.